You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Japanese. And if you want to learn more names from mangas and animes from Japan that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you here. So this means hermaphrodite character, meaning that has two genders. It comes from futatsu, meaning two, and nari, meaning form. So two different forms. Futanari, that's your Japanese pronunciation here. Futanari, futanari, futanari. Now, in English, it's generally pronounced, therefore, as futanari, futanari. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.